Hello, and welcome to the Professional Video Editing course. I'm Doran Cernat, and I'm a technical trainer at Skills Gap Trainer Communications. I put together this course because I know that there are a lot of people who are interested in a field of video editing and curious about the techniques used to produce high-quality video sequences. The course discusses what professional video editing is all about. The course begins with an introduction to editing, proceeds to outline the steps involved, provides an analysis of professional techniques, discusses image and audio editing, and concludes with issues relating to file management. The course also includes information on editing technique, editing theory, and the art of editing. Now here we have the table of contents. Part 1 through to Part 8. We're going to cover editing steps, basics, cuts, shots, controlling image, editing audio, and file management. Introduction to editing. Editing begins after the production ends. Editing is part of the post-production process. After the footage is shot, the editor should have a collection of media clips on the hard drive. An editing process is then required to trim out or discard the poor clips and to select the clips with the best quality and performance metrics. The editor will need to organize or arrange the best and most appropriate shots into logical sequences. The editing process takes in numerous input clips and produces a single output, perhaps into a story format. The output media becomes a piece which then communicates ideas effectively and showcases the best work done by the production team and the cast. Much of editing education refers to the technical aspects of editing. Editing requires technical skills, such as understanding of the software editing program features, such as masks, color correction, cuts, transitions, audio effects, video effects, and compression. However, knowing the technical aspects of editing is insufficient to produce truly great works. One needs to be a technician, but an artist as well. Therefore, a professional editor needs to understand editing concepts and theory, to understand the technique and the art. Editing theory is what this guide is about.